Duplicate Detective, a free AppExchange product from Internet Creations, searches for cases with similar subjects from the same account or contact that are created within 7 days of each other. This will catch common sources of duplicate cases created through Salesforce's Email to Case in Service Cloud. Let's see Duplicate Detective in action from a case. Hover over the case number to view summary information, or click the case number to view that case directly. If the case is a duplicate, copy the case number from the case hover. Click the Salesforce Merge Cases button and paste the case number into the search and continue the merge process. When there are no duplicates detected, Duplicate Detective uses very little space, staying out of the support agent's way. Before you start the install process, check to ensure that Salesforce's My Domain feature is enabled. This is required in order to use this or any other custom Lightning component. Install the latest version of Duplicate Detective to your org by visiting the AppExchange listing and clicking the Get It Now button. Select whether to install into your production org or a sandbox org. Click the checkbox to accept the terms, and then click Confirm and Install. Duplicate Detective comes with 2 permission sets, one for end users and one for application administrators, which you should assign to your support team and your administrators respectively. When Duplicate Detective installs, it creates a field set on the case hover called Duplicate Detective, which includes contact name, account name, subject, and description fields. You can configure the fields displayed in the Duplicate Detective case hover through this packaged field set. Detailed instructions are in our documentation. Navigate to the case record page in Lightning where you would like to add the Duplicate Detective component. Click the Setup gear in the top right of the case record page and select Edit Page. This will load the Lightning App Builder for the current page. In the Components menu on the left, scroll down to the Custom Managed section to find Duplicate Detective. Drag the Duplicate Detective component onto an appropriate place in the Lightning App Builder canvas. With the component selected on your page, select either Contact or Account from the Focused Object dropdown. This determines how Duplicate Detective searches for duplicate cases. Click the Save button in the top right of Lightning App Builder. If you have yet to activate the page, click the Activation button and follow the prompts to activate the page appropriately. Click the Back button in the top right of Lightning App Builder to return to your case record page. Repeat these steps for any additional case record pages where you would like to see the component. Download Duplicate Detective for free on the Salesforce AppExchange at ic.force.com/dd. And if you need more configuration options with the detection of duplicates, customization of the merge process, merging cases with OmniChannel, and Salesforce Classic support, consider Internet Creations product Case Merge Premium.